In today's episode, we're doing our first viewer-suggested s'more recipe, and it's coming up right after this. Hit the music! Hey everybody, and welcome back to a new episode of S'mores and More. And today, we are doing our first viewer-suggested s'more recipe. Today's recipe was sent in by Nicole and her daughter, Rachel. Hey Nicole and Rachel, thank you for sending in the recipe. Today's recipe is a pretty simple recipe, one that I know literally almost anybody can do, but boy is it good, or at least I'm hoping it is. Today we are making Fudge Striped Cookie S'mores. And realistically, all you need for this is some Fudge Striped cookies and some marshmallows. I've got a whole collection of Fudge Striped cookies right here. Yep, there they are, right there in camera. So I've got the cookie, and the beautiful thing about the cookies is you've got that cookie graham crackery, and it's already covered in chocolate. So, I mean, it sort of speaks for itself. Now, we need to toast our marshmallow, which means we need to go to Marshmallow-saurus Rex and get ourselves a marshmallow. That is a very good one. We get our marshmallow roasting stick. And here comes everybody's favorite part, toasting the marshmallow. Toasting, we're toasting the marshmallow, toasting the marshmallow. Some of you that have been watching the channel for a while may notice that I have gone back. I'm making this marshmallow is a traditional circular style marshmallow. I had been using the quote unquote like s'more square marshmallows, and those are good. I think sometimes they're a little too much marshmallow, and with these Fudge Striped cookies specifically, I experimented beforehand, and the marshmallow is just untoasted, spilling over the sides, much more than I would really care for. So we're going back to the OG, well, at least the OG marshmallow that I toasted with. The nice thing about these is you can have that continual rotisserie, just slowly moving my fingers around, making it a nice even golden brown all the way around. Of course, you can toast your marshmallows however you want them to be. You want them really burnt? Go for it. I like burnt marshmallows occasionally. Oh. Hey, and those of you that have watched this channel a lot since the beginning know that the other benefit here is this marshmallow is already pretty well toasted, and we normally have to wait significantly longer for the other marshmallows. All right, that is the perfect level of, look at that. That's almost as good as you can get with that. So, this is the nice and easy part. One cookie. And then I just, gotta get on there. And I am choosing to go with the chocolate flat side on the inside of the marshmallow, or on the inside of the s'more. Just like that, that's what we're looking for right there. And look at that, there's one, there's two, and there's your s'more. You're already done. So if you're cooking along with me, you're done. So let's try this out. I'm really excited. Not bad. The cookie does have a tendency to fall apart a little bit easier than a graham cracker. But ironically for me, they sort of fell apart into three very small, easy, bite-sized pieces, which is great. And you get everything out of this. You get that graham cracker, you get the chocolate, and you get that chocolate. So, thank you, Nicole and Rachel, for sending that recipe in. If you have a s'more recipe Mama always said, don't talk with your mouth full. As I was saying, if you have a s'more recipe that you'd like us to try it out here on the channel, send it on in. Put it in the comments down below and we'll try it out. You can also direct tweet, you can send it to us on Twitter or Facebook or however you found this video. So, if you enjoyed this, click like, maybe even consider subscribing to the channel. I'm not going to force you to, but hey, it'd be really nice. So until next time, that was a nice gooey stretch. Stay curious.